loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I get it loaded. You just ride the way. If you ride the way, shawty, ride the way.
What's going on, everybody? This is Solo E in the building, and in this video I'm actually going to be showing you a crazy 1-minute scalping strategy. Yes, I said a 1-minute scalping strategy using one indicator, but this indicator isn't going to be one of them indicators that you think are those typical lag indicators. This indicator is actually an indicator that will actually help you in the long run. So make sure you don't skip past anything, and also make sure you like the video and comment down below for any questions, or if you want me to drop more fire gems. I always do. I am an Elliott Wave trader, so if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave, comment down below, drop the yeses, drop the fire, drop the whatever emoji. That's dope. And let's just get straight to it. And once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to it. Okay, so look, we got it here. We got the order block finder. Now what you guys want to do is come to indicators. You want to type in order block finder. Once you select that, it will bring you to the settings, which is here. Once you are set at the settings, all you want to do is change the relevant period to 3. You want to put it at 0 for the minimum percentage, and then everything you want to uncheck except for the second and the third box. And then if you want to change the color scheme, you can change it to bright, or you can change it to dark, which is whatever one you feel comfortable in. Doesn't matter. This tool right here is a way for you, it actually will help you find structure. So yes, this is a tool that will actually help you in the long run. The more you use it, it will definitely help you. Now we're on a 1-minute time frame. It doesn't matter what you're trading. Right now we're looking at Euro USD, but I'm gonna show you guys a straight up crazy 1-minute scalping strategy that you can use with just a simple 1-to-1 risk to reward. Doesn't matter what lot size you use, this will be a high win ratio for you. So let's go ahead and get to it. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to take this rectangle box and we're just going to highlight any area that was already printed, rather if that was a bearish OB, which would be red, and since I'm using these colors, also a bullish OB, which would be green. I'm just going to highlight that. Now here's a rule: if the market hits the OB finder area twice, this becomes irrelevant and we're going to completely ignore it. So the first move that we're going to focus on is this one here. We noticed that it did 1 and it did 2. So since it did those 2 hits, we're going to ignore this one and just bypass this one. Now also looking down here, we got the exact same thing. We had an OB finder here. It did come up and came down and hit that same area twice. Now if we was to get in this for a buy, we would have definitely probably made money on this. Even if we were to get in this move for a sell, we probably wouldn't have made money on this one. But either way it goes, I'm just going to show you guys real fun facts of if this actually strategy will work, yes or no. If we get anything higher than a 51%, we will be making money, and that's the goal today. So let's see what we can do. So all I'm gonna do is wait on the market to create a new OB. Now we got a new OB finder that just printed, which was literally this one here. Now what we're going to be looking for is market to hit the same area twice. So we see that market came to this area. All we're going to do is wait on some type of bearish or bullish candle, and looks like we got one here. So what we're going to do is just take a simple long 1-to-1 trade. We're going to put our stop loss just roughly there, and we're going to put our TP roughly there, and we're just going to see if this is going to be a winner or not. Let's see. And it looks like we end up catching one win for the day. Great. Now I feel happy. Let's continue on. Now notice market did print out a new OB. However, this one I'm a little cautious because this was a bearish OB and it did hit this area twice, but it completely got demolished. So we're going to just remove this and not worry about that and wait for another one. Like I said, guys, we need to see it hit the area twice. If it does, it becomes irrelevant. So I just see we got a new OB printed, which was actually this one here. So we're actually going to pay attention to that one. So it looks like market is still going down. So it looks like now we got another OB printed, which is this one here. So these two right here are still relevant. All right, these two are still relevant. We just want to see what happens. If it comes back down, we're going to look for the buy. If it comes here, we're going to look for the sell. And as you guys see, it looks like we came right back in this area, and then it looks like we did get our setup. So we're going to actually take a long position here, and we're just going to do stop loss a couple of pips down there. We're just going to do a simple 1-on-1 trade. Looks like we got a second win, so we're going to go ahead and continue to see if we can get some new order blocks printed. And as I'm looking right now, we actually do have another one printed out, which is actually this one here. So we're going to go ahead and use this area if it comes back to that area. Also, guys, this one's still never been hit, so we still going to pay attention to that as well. So I see market did came to that area, so what we're going to go ahead and do is take another long position. We're going to actually put our stop loss down here, and we're just going to do a simple 1-on-1 trade. Wait, let me actually talk to you about today's sponsor, Margex. Now, Margex is your one-stop shop for leveraged crypto trading. As you see, your reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage, definitely designed by traders like us. You're able to start trading with Margex right away. Now, once you sign up, which by the way doesn't even take long, you will be brought to this page here. My best part about Margex is they have everything user friendly when it comes to trading. TradingView is already integrated in here, so if you are familiar with TradingView, you have all the bells and whistles just like you would do if you were using actual TradingView. But since the simple fact that it's integrated inside Margex, it makes my life 20 times easier. Now if you look here on the left hand side, you see you're actually able to change your leverage from 5x all the way up to 100x by doing what we call cross margin. Now let's say, depending on what type of way you're looking on to purchase some cryptos, it's very simple. If you come over here where you see market, basically what that means is you would select the price that you're looking to put in towards your actual leverage. Once you go ahead and select that, you're actually now able to once again change that leverage amount, and then on top of that, you can either choose if the market is either going to go up or go down. Now, if you decide to do a limit order, basically what that means is wherever you think prices are going to be at, you will actually enter in that price, specifically what you put in here. Now, like I said, if you guys are familiar with leverage trading, this limit order and market order is a huge benefit for you, because obviously if you already know how the market moves, here you go. And when you guys decide to sign up, it is very simple and get the process going. All you actually need is either your debit card or you can use your third-party crypto wallet. If you guys decide to sign up and you want to go ahead and actually get a deposit bonus, all you need to do is come over to wallet, you select use promo code, and you put in solo 15, just like what you see right now on the screen. Now after that, everything is pretty simple from there, guys. Like I said, you can come right in the trade and you can start entering in trades right away. So once again, guys, I appreciate the love and support, man. Let's go ahead and get right back to the fire. And as you guys see, we smashed TP, so that is 3 wins so far. So we're just going to keep continuing with this trade. Now also, I did notice that we had a small OB here, so what we're actually going to do is pay attention to this one, and we're actually going to trade this one just because we did get this sell. I do want to show you guys another entry just in case if it goes left, but we did get this move here. Now here's another thing that I also realized that the order block didn't find. Sometimes the order block doesn't find all the moves because of the settings you have, but like I said, guys, when you literally have this order block finder, you will master it. However, I'm obviously doing this video for you, but I'm gonna just tell you right now, this was an order block over here as well, but since the order block didn't catch that, it is what it is. We're not going to talk about it, but for those that are interested to know what I'm actually going to talk about, we basically hit this area. This was the first move, and this was the second hit, so technically this right here, it becomes irrelevant. But like I said, since you guys are still learning, I'm gonna stick with what I'm gonna stick with, and we're going to go ahead and ride this puppy. Got stop loss there. We're going to do a simple 1-on-1 trade, and let's see if this one goes in our favor. So as you guys see, it did not, and like I said, that reason being is that now just because the order block didn't find it, does that mean this is bad? No, it does not. Like I said, you keep using this because right now we won 3 trades and we just now losing 1 trade. So obviously we're not going to always win a trade, and if you got that mindset, you shouldn't be trading. All right, so that being said, literally you guys can try this strategy out. It works on any time frame, but mainly it works really well on a 1 minute, as you clearly have seen. Now once again, subscribe to this YouTube because we talk about great strategies for Forex trading in general, finance, and all of that stuff, guys. So you don't want to miss out anything. Once again, I'm gonna pop up a couple more other videos you guys can check out again. If you want to go ahead and get more in depth with my live trading, you can definitely check out my live trading on my YouTube that I do. It's pre-recorded, but it's still live, if you get what I'm saying. I'm gonna start actual doing live videos, but make sure you subscribe so you guys will be up to date with that. Otherwise, I appreciate the love, support. Your boy Solo, I am out. Peace.